Hi, I'm Allan Levy, General Sales Manager at Waldorf Ford. Today I'd like to introduce you to our Waldorf Ford Firework, Waldi, better known as Adam Rinaldi.
Bang! Yes, I'm Adam Rinaldi.
If you didn't already know, Waldorf Ford is the hot spot to saving in July.
Kapow!
And during this 4th of July weekend, we've got the biggest, most explosive
Bam!
sales event going on in Maryland. Well, that's the spirit. See, Adam's got a spark in him. He definitely knows that Waldorf Ford is the hot spot to save.
Woo-wee!
And so will you when you stop by Waldorf Ford to celebrate your independence with your most amazing deals. Deals like these.
Sizzling deal.
$11,995 on a brand new Ford Fiesta with payments as low as $189 a month. $18,994 on a brand new 2013 F-150, payments as low as $287 a month.
Snap, crackle, pop!
Plus sizzling deals on all 2014 Mustangs. Also, we will be open all day on the 4th of July, so stop by Waldorf Ford for your hot spots for hot dogs, hamburgers, DJs, and Waldi.
Yeah.
One more thing, watch Waldi, our Firework, sing us his favorite song.
'Cause baby, I'm a firework. Come on, show what.
Yes!
Kapow my
That is perfect.